Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unfriend or block people on Roblox. You can either go to the friends here and select see all, or you can go to the more section and you can select the friends icon here. Select a person that you want to unfriend or block. I'm not going to actually do it, but you're just going to scroll down and there's going to be these three dots. Oh my gosh, why is my Roblox not full screen? Anyways, it's here if you can't see it. Let me just close this and see if it shows differently. Okay, it's still the same. So select the three dots and then select either block or unfriend. I'm not going to do that though, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can block or unfriend a person on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.